Hello again. Today we're going to have a couple of tests on the new Osmo Action. Here I am shaking the Osmo Action and trying to give it a good shake. Right, so on the left rock steady is off and on the right rock steady is on. So you can see it stabilizes quite well. Right, next we're going to do a walking test. This is between the Osmo Pocket on the left and the Osmo Action on the right. So let's see how we get on. Okay, the Osmo Action, you can see that it's getting a little bit of flickering from the interference from the lights, but it's not too bad. Osmo Pocket's not getting that. Osmo Pocket picture is much clearer. Osmo Action is not an indoor camera, but it's dark outside again. So tell me what you thought in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow.